Hi friend, it's me, Jen of Jen on the Run. Today we are exploring Washington, D.C. We're at the National Mall. As you can see behind me is the Washington Memorial. We're gonna check out the Washington Memorial and then we are going to head to Lincoln Memorial and check out some other sites, Martin Luther King Memorial and the Jefferson Memorial if we have time. So come along with me today as we explore the National Mall. It's a 2.5 mile loop and it takes about an hour and a half to complete, so let's get going. Now we are walking around the World War II Memorial. On one side there's a statue that says Pacific, and on the other side there's a statue that says Atlantic. And then there's statues for each state of the United States or territory, including Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, Wyoming, etc. All in a circle around this township. Take a look. Just a really beautiful place to walk around, be outside. Definitely gorgeous here. We're here at like 3:30, so the light is kind of fading and it's really nice, I think. And it's December, so it's cold. I have my hat on and this great coat that I rented newly, but it's not terribly freezing because it's not windy right now. Fingers crossed. Well, we're walking up the stairs to go see Abraham Lincoln. And it looks like they're doing construction on the columns as well. But that's okay, it's still a beautiful place. Glad they're restoring it or keeping it in tip-top shape. Take a look. There's actually a decent amount of people here today. We are right before Christmas, so that could be why. It says at the very top, "In this temple, as in the hearts of the people for whom he saved the Union, the memory of Abraham Lincoln is enshrined forever." Wow, pretty powerful. Right, we walked over from the Lincoln Memorial and now we are at the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. It's about a 5-minute walk and the sun is going down and it's just simply beautiful. Honestly, just the most gorgeous thing. You can feel the magic of the space and how powerful it is and what a great remembrance it is to such a powerful and incredible man. It's just really beautiful. take a look at the water behind me. Across, there's like the shade of purple that's fading into the water, and the Jefferson Memorial is across over there. And yeah, definitely come here at twilight, like an hour or two before sunset if you can, because you just feel the power of everything that these monuments represent, all the history, all the loss, all the battles, all the courage, all the fights for freedom. And it's really, really powerful. You can't help but feel moved and just reflective of all of this important history that has occurred. So yeah, it's a great place. Okay, so now from Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, we are walking around this beautiful lake pond water feature here. And we are making our way to the Jefferson Memorial, which is just across. It's about a mile walk. It's paved and a pretty easy walk, so we're trying to catch it before the sun goes down. So stay tuned. Alright, here we are at the Jefferson Memorial. Back again. And the sun just went down, so we're catching the last bit of daylight, and it's just really magical. It's like that perfect blue hour. Let's go check it out. Again, I know I keep saying this, but there's no better word but magical for this right now. There's just like not very many people here at all, which makes it solemn and powerful. I keep repeating myself, but there's not many other words to really describe. And then you can like turn around and you can see the monument behind. I don't know if you can see that, but the monument's there. So, really cool.